What is up, Boobie Goaters? I'm here with Flash and we gotta do some chicken chores, so I thought, well, this is all I do anyway. I'll just bring you guys along.
I want my tooth.
All he wants for Christmas is his front tooth. Hi, Flash. Flash got a little creative and he shaved his eyebrows off, and he also shaved a little line in his head. The chicken's out in a little bit right after we fill up all the waters.
What's he thinking now?
I don't know. Maybe if I like hook it onto this thing.
Mom, I'm done.
Holy Moses.
What? Oh my!
Is there a broken egg? Uh-oh. Is there a broken egg somewhere?
There will be no blood here.
Let's see if we can get these out of here. I want to,
We got a lot of eggs.
What is up, Boobie Goaters? We do not do chores without helpers.